All right. So finally we get to talk about one of these. In previous videos I've said I can't talk about this one. Come to find out I can, because this is a demo vehicle. So we have done other chassis for what I'm going to show you, but we can't show those because they're actual like cop cars. So this is a demo vehicle for some of the work that we do here for some of the other police departments. These have inmate containment cages to transport an individual, so the police officer can be properly, have good distance away from the inmate and be safe and stuff like that. But then there's also some trick little things in it to where if somebody was needing to stake out and have ability to be in the back and take photos and stuff like that. So I'll kind of go over this all, and then I'm going to show you the other fun stuff. This all came to be because of one of our really good customers that actually outfits these with lights. And so I'm going to show you that. Their company, it is Fleet Flashers. So thank you very much, Brandon, for making this possible. Let me show you this. Let me open up this side too. I'm going to open it all the way up because the windows are so dark. It'll be tough to really get a good view of it all. Okay, so got it all up. That is cage. So we bend these and do this all in-house here, right over there, that side of the shop. So we have all of our CNC benders to make all this. You can see how we tie it into the back, cut those panels out, make all this panel, everything like that. We've got plexiglass. Actually, it might be Lexan. To basically prevent the inmate from being able to spit on the cops. But one of our really good friends, their business actually does this. It's Titan Aquatic. They make a lot of really cool trick aquariums and stuff like that. And so we partnered with them to draw those up and cut them. So we actually draw up the CAD file and everything and send it over to them to cut it because they have the proper equipment to do it. I'll show you on this side. So they are very cool. And this is just, like I said, one that we've done. We've done some SUVs, things like that. Let me close this up. I'll show you the lights and everything on it. Oh, a couple other trick little things. So we make these riser boxes on them, and we have a little clamp there. So like, let's say you're in handcuffs, you need to chain the inmate down. You have all that as well, so they're properly secured. But back around, I'll show you all the fun stuff and what Gower's company it's pretty slick. They do such a good job on the lights. But yeah, that's it. Something totally different, but we're really grateful to be able to do these for them. Their old cages were just made from like square tubing, and I say chicken wire. It was something a little bit better than that, but definitely not as safe and secure feeling as these. And really fun project to be able to work with the different police departments to be able to do something like this for them, keep the police officers safe, keep the inmates properly secured, and yeah, let me know what you think. Okay.